Hello. Today we are going to create a Certiport account. You are required to have a Certiport account if you are an instructor and you're going to be delivering exams, or if you're a student and you're going to be taking an exam. So the first step is that you're going to come to certiport.pearsonview.com website. On this website, you will click on the blue Login and Register button in the top right-hand corner. On this page, you will see that you have a login, and then you also have a button in here that says login for free. We're going to click on that login for free, and it's going to bring us to this three-step process. The first part is that we're going to join it, then we're going to enter our name and verify, and then we're going to enter our birth date. So I'm going to create a fictitious account here. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to select my region. I'm going to create a email address, and I'm going to do asmith@ccillearning.com, and then I'm going to give it a password. Once I've got all 8 characters, 1 special character, 1 uppercase, and 1 number, I'm going to click I agree to the terms, and I'm going to click next. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to put in my name, and now remember that this is a fictitious one. You're going to use your actual name, and your name should match your government ID. The reason for this is if you have any complications with your account and you need to contact Certiport customer success, then you will need to prove yourself and they will ask you for ID. You also have the option of displaying your last name first. Now what you'll notice is that when I put my name in here, it actually shows up on this example certificate. If I'd like my last name to be first, I can click on that and it'll go backwards, or I can do that way. I'm just going to leave it in a typical fashion, and I'm going to click next. Now the next thing is that you're going to choose a birth date, and I am just going to randomly choose a birth date here. We'll just click on anything, and then it says I am not a robot. So we're going to click on this, and now here comes the really tough part of this whole process, is making sure you get all of those correct, and then hit submit. And that's it. Technically speaking, you have created a Certiport test account, and this is what you're going to be using for your exams. So you are going to need to know how your username and your password. You will need to manually know these, as you will have to physically type these in. So make sure you write down that username and password. On here, you'll also see that you have your history with exams, and you can go and see your transcript. Now, obviously there's nothing in here because we just created this and we haven't taken any exams, but there are a couple of pieces of information in here. Plus, over on the side, you can locate a testing center. You can look at they've got some extra links. So if you want any additional information, you can click on any of these links. All right, thank you very much.